Most piano players play chords like this. But what if you could turn this into something like this? Hello and welcome! If you are new here, my name is Melanie. I studied music education, and on this channel I teach you how to play piano using chords and patterns. So if that sounds interesting to you, make sure to subscribe and give this video a thumbs up. You can also download the sheet music for this tutorial for free. Check the link in the video description below. And now let's jump right in. Okay, let's first have a look at our right hand, and here we start very simple. In your right hand, just play a normal A minor triad with the notes A, C and E, so nothing fancy yet, but in this tutorial we want a bigger, more epic sound, right? So here is a simple trick. We will take the top note and play it again 1 octave lower. Okay, so now we have 4 notes instead of only 3 notes. And to play that with one hand, it's the best you use your thumb, your index finger, your ring finger, and then again the little finger. All right. And when you play 4 notes instead of only 3 notes, the whole chord sounds much fuller. Now we will turn these 4 notes into a beautiful arpeggio. We don't play all the notes at once. Instead, we play one note after another, and we will start from the top, go down, and when you reach the bottom, go back up. Yeah? Like this. Try it slowly with me. We start at the top, go down and up again. Wonderful. Now let's add the left hand, and here we will start with playing octaves. We will begin on the A, then we go 2 white keys down to the F, then 1 white key up to the G, and finally back to A. And this we will combine now with the right hand arpeggio. And when you play the right hand arpeggio, when you play the highest note in the right hand, try to play this note a little bit louder. So, like this, yeah? The green marked notes. And now we will count every time we hit the highest notes. That means we are counting 1, 2, 3, 4, right? And every time we count the 1, we will play the octave in the right hand, okay? So we are starting 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, all right. And it's very important that you stay relaxed in your right hand. So don't stretch your fingers too much. You can just move your hand slightly while playing, so it doesn't feel so stiff. You don't have to stay here in this position. That means when you are playing from top to bottom, yeah, you can release your little finger a little bit. And now when you are going up, you just release your thumb a little bit. And like this, your hand isn't like this all the time. It's more flexible, right? So also activate a little bit your wrist, yeah? That you are doing a movement here. And then it feels much lighter than if you would stay stiff like this and try to play like this all the time. Yeah, this is not so good. So yeah, take it relaxed. A little bit more like this. Yeah, like a butterfly, light like a butterfly. Wonderful. Now we will add some variation, and now it's getting really interesting. We keep the same arpeggio, but at the top, instead of always playing the E, we are alternating between the E and the D. Okay, so the E and one note lower. So we are starting on the E, play it down. And when we arrive at the top, we don't take the E, we just take the D. Now again the E. Now again the D. E. D. E. D. And so on, okay? And I have marked the notes. So the green notes are the E and the pink notes are the D. And then you can see the pattern changes. We start with E, D, E, D. Okay, wonderful. And now we will combine our new arpeggio with the octaves in the left hand. So we are playing this like this. 1, 2, 3, 4. Next chord. 1, 2, 3, 4. G. 1, 2, 3, 4. And A. 1, 2, 3, 4. Yeah, and in the last bar you could also play 1, 2, 3, 4. Yeah, that you just take a rest here, then the whole hand can relax and everything's fine. Let's play this again now a little bit faster. Okay, like this, yeah? So it should sound light, like a butterfly is flying around. And if you want to practice this later, don't forget to download the free sheet music. You can find the link in the video description below. And now let's upgrade the left hand. Instead of just playing the octaves, we will apply now a beautiful left hand pattern. Look, this is the A minor triad. And now we will take the middle note and play it at the top. Okay? For sure, it's very difficult to play all 3 notes together, but this is not necessary. We will begin with the root note, and then we are playing with the index and the thumb the 2 other notes. Okay? So 1, 2, 3, 4. And for sure you use your sustain pedal that everything sounds smooth. Then for the next chord we take the F major. We are taking out the middle note, play it 1 octave higher, and then first the root note and then the 2 higher notes. And again. Then for G major we are doing the same. We take out the middle note, put it here, and then root note and then the 2 higher notes, root note and the 2 higher notes, and then we arrive at A minor again. Yeah, let's practice this together. So 1, 2, 3, 4. Now change pedal. 1, 2, 3, 4. Change the pedal now. 2, 3, 4, and change the pedal now. 2, 3, 4. Wonderful. Okay, all right. So make sure to practice this a lot, and then we can combine both hands together. And as you can see, here are the notes that are coming together in the left and in the right hand. So we are starting 1, 2, 3, 4. Next bar. 1, 2, 3, 4. Now G major, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay? Now we play this a little bit faster. Maybe like this. Okay, now let's level up again. Instead of playing the A minor triad in root position, we play it in the first inversion now. That means we move up the A 1 octave, and now we have the notes C, E and A. And now again we will take the top note and double the top note 1 octave lower, like this, okay? And this means we have these 4 notes now, and the sound changes completely just by using an inversion. But now we don't play all notes together. No, we will play an arpeggio. And we are starting from the top to the bottom, and we go to the top, bottom, to the top, to the bottom, to the top, to the bottom. Yeah, try to practice this a little bit along with me. Then we can count always when we are on the higher A, okay? 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, this is the first step. Now we make the arpeggio a little bit more interesting. For that, we are just alternating between the top note and then 1 note below. That means between the A and the G. So we are starting with the A, 1. Then we go to the lower note, to the G instead of the A. Now A again, G again, A, G, A, G, A, G, A, G. And again, try to stay relaxed with your hands. Just think of the butterfly. Yeah, that flies a little bit around. You can also play around a little bit with the tempo that you are playing a little bit faster. Then you are just slowing down a little bit, faster, slower, all is possible. Now, when you have this new arpeggio under your fingers, we will add the left hand pattern, like this. Okay. Let's listen how this sounds. So 1, 2, 3, 4. Now F major. 1, 2, 3, 4. Now G major. 1, 2, 3, 4. And to A major. 1, 2, 3, 4. Yeah, on the 3 and the 4, just take a little pause. Okay, all right, let's do this faster. Now let's go even further. Now we will start with the A minor triad in second inversion, and then we will see what's coming out. So look, first we started with A minor in root position, then we started with A minor in first inversion, and now we are starting with A minor in second inversion, right? And when we get there, then we do the trick. We take the top note and also double it 1 octave lower, like this. Yeah? Now we have these 4 notes, and like this it sounds fuller. And by the way, if you still have difficulties to find the inversions very quickly, then make sure to check out my online course. It's called Modern Piano 1, and there you will learn a technique that will allow you to find the chords and the inversion shapes very fast. And yeah, you will learn also about piano playing with chords and patterns and how to improvise freely. So if that interests you, then check out the link below in the video description. I would love to see you inside the course. And now we don't play all 4 notes together. We will also practice this as an arpeggio. So you know the game. We are starting from the top. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Yeah, and really see how I'm moving with my hand, yeah? And like this gives me the opportunity to stay relaxed with my hand. Okay, so when you practiced this first arpeggio, then we also do the trick that we alternate between the C and the note which lies below, which is the B. Okay, so we are starting with the C, and then we don't play the C again, we play the B. C, B, C, B, C, B, and so on. Yeah, and I mean, listen to the beauty of that sound. It's really like in a movie. Yeah, it's a little bit mystical and it's really beautiful. Okay, it's time to join with our left hand now. So prepare your hand like this, and then we are starting. 1, 2, 3, 4. Next chord. 1, 2, 3, 4. Next chord. 1, 2, 3, 4. And back to the A. Yeah. So again, a little bit faster. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to subscribe and give it a thumbs up. And if you would like to explore chords, inversions and free piano improvisation more deeply, then make sure to check out my Modern Piano 1 course. The link is in the video description below. So have fun trying this out, and if you would like to continue right away with the next video, make sure to check out this one right here. In that video, I will show you a beautiful arpeggio trick on the piano that you definitely don't want to miss. It's simple, powerful, and it can instantly upgrade your sound. So click on this video now and I will see you there.